What are some famous top freelancing platforms that can help us to earn money online by providing services? Viewers, before starting this video, I dare you don't move anywhere because you will get to know about the famous websites where you can sell your skills. If you are a freelancer looking for work, you know that this task can be quite exhausting. However, there are a variety of freelancing sites dedicated to helping these professionals find work. In this video, we are going to list the best freelancing sites on the internet. What is freelancing site? A freelancing site is a platform where both workers and employers post their offers. Your talent or hobby can become a source of income if you become a freelancer. You are free to apply only for projects you like or think are good. Needless to say, these sites will help you start a solid freelancing career. With them, you will be able to find your first customers easily. In addition to earning the trust of employers over time. Other than that, you will also be able to sharpen your skills by participating in different projects of various types. To help you take this new path, we've listed the best freelancing sites, so you know where to go. Number 1. Upwork. Upwork offers tools to kickstart your freelancing journey. This includes collaborative spaces, a native invoice creator, and a transparent recruitment process. You may also be able to work with famous clients like Microsoft, Airbnb, Dropbox, and others. Anyone looking for flexibility at work should definitely check out this freelancing site. Number 2. TopScore. TopTal is a freelancing site that promises companies that they can hire the top 3% of freelancers from around the world. By working hard and developing your skills, you can become one of them. Number 3. Simply Hired. One of the best things about Simply Hired is that you can browse available job offers in your area of residence. Along with that, there is a list of the best salaries and a tool to estimate your income. This is useful for making a comparison between specific jobs. You can also create a CV through their website and learn a lot from their blog. Number 4. People Per Hour. This freelance site has over 1.5 million registered freelancers. Every worker on the site has a rating system, which is a great promotion. People Per Hour is free for freelancers, but competition can be an extra challenge. You must always improve as a professional and set a fair remuneration. This is how your chances of getting hired increase. Number 5. Fiverr. On Fiverr, freelancers can show their finished projects to the public. This is how you can attract new customers and stand out to new employers. It is an alternative that removes the need to contact employers one-on-one. That is, it is much less work to get in touch with job offers. In addition, the platform offers free courses for you to learn and develop new skills on how to delight employers. Number 6. 99 Design. This platform focuses on designers' work, from logo production to book covers. It also allows customers to start a contest that all 99 Designs participants can enter. Free of charge, the site is ideal for you to exhibit your work and improve your knowledge with up-to-date articles. Number 7. Writer Access. If you are interested in becoming a freelance writer, Writer Access is your best option. It covers all types of written work. This includes online articles, case studies, rich materials, etc. The site has many tools like content analysis, keyword optimization, and a content planner for you to do a more effective job. Stop. If you still do not subscribe to the channel, click on the red button below. Number 8. Skyward. An avalanche of marketing offers can be found here. You can apply to work as a content strategist, editorial manager, and so on. Also, Skyward isn't just restricted to English-speaking countries or companies. Number 9. Freelancer.in. Freelancer is the largest freelance worker platform in the world. The platform has over 32 million registered users. To match that number, there are thousands of job offers you can apply for. You can also register for free and compete for thousands of jobs that are posted every day. Number 10. Guru. After registering on the site, you become part of a community with more than 3 million freelancers around the world. You can search for jobs in various niches such as development, writing, architecture, business, engineering, and so on. Number 11. FlexJobs. FlexJobs not only offers a platform for freelancing jobs but also encourages its users to try a career in that path. In addition, it collects and organizes any job offers posted around the world. And, for $14.95 a month, you get access to a full network of employers, skill tests, and detailed descriptions for each company. Number 12. Hireable. Hireable gives the user the opportunity to get jobs outside the US and Europe with the same opportunity. It has a very straightforward user interface and offers exactly what you would expect from a freelancing site. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.